Prepare to dive into the captivating world of Assemble, a British architecture collective that has left an indelible mark on the industry over the past 15 years. This story is a testament to the power of community-driven initiatives and the innovative spirit that defines Assemble's journey. Unveiling the creative journey of Assemble. In his new book, Assemble, Building Collective, architecture critic Aaron Betsky takes us on a captivating retrospective of Assemble's remarkable journey. Known for their unique, deeply collaborative approach, Assemble's story is meticulously detailed across 7 chapters, accompanied by captivating photography, imaginative architectural drawings, and the collective's own voices, offering an intimate glimpse into their world. The book opens with an intriguing introduction, mirroring Assemble's own project delivery style. Betsky highlights how Assemble emerged during a pivotal time when new architectural approaches were being explored, deeply rooted in British traditions, yet addressing global issues. This theme, a constant thread in Assemble's work, sets the tone for the entire book. Exploring Assemble's distinctive projects, each chapter in the book delves into a specific phase of Assemble's journey, starting with their inaugural project, the Cineroleum, a bold, self-initiated pop-up cinema in a disused petrol station in Clerkenwell, London. From there, we journey through the collective's industrious creation of Sugar House Studios, their playful reinvention of the Brutalist Playground exhibition at RIBA, and the hands-on crafting of the Granby Winter Garden, a dramatic community space in Liverpool. These chapters invite readers into the heart of Assemble's most distinctive works, sharing the stories, challenges, and triumphs that define their creative process. But the book doesn't stop there. It also sheds light on less well-known projects in the collective's portfolio, such as the D.H. Chen Foundation Gallery, the Bell Square Pavilion, and the vibrant Kamikatsu Brewery in Shikoku Island, Japan. A refreshing take on project realities. What sets this book apart is its honest portrayal of Assemble's journey, including projects that haven't fully materialized. This is a bold departure from the polished monographs that often present a flawless view of a practice's history. Here, readers gain insight into the real-world challenges of delivering complex and innovative schemes. The final chapter, Still Assembling, hints at the collective's future evolution. Assemble is an ongoing project, and its greatest work might just be the collective itself, a constantly evolving structure that builds not only spaces, but also new, exciting ways of bringing them to life. And this is the part most people miss. The book's unique perspective on Assemble's journey offers a refreshing take on the architecture industry. It challenges the notion of perfection and presents a more realistic, human-centric view of the creative process. So what do you think? Is this a perspective that resonates with you? Feel free to share your thoughts and insights in the comments below.